Hello, everyone. Happy New Year. It's time for new beginnings. And with the new year, I always like to set an agenda on wellness and prevention. So, what I'd like to do today is go over the components of our balanced physician care wellness exam so that you, as a member, know what we're going to try to accomplish when you come in for your wellness visit. One of the important things about the wellness visit is to make sure that we have enough time to really focus on wellness. I know a lot of times everybody is busy and there are certain chronic problems that we're going to want to talk about and things that are bothering us. But the wellness visit is really about taking it a step beyond what is the problem bothering you at the moment and really delving into what are your health and long-term prevention goals for yourself. So, like any good wellness visit, we're going to want to focus on screenings, those that are conventionally recommended, and those that you might decide that are important for you in your health. The second is obviously part of the screenings is lab work, and those types of labs that we normally do to check and things that we might want to delve in a little bit deeper. That can obviously run from beyond the basic wellness stuff like CBC or CMP or blood counts into things deeper like hormones or gut markers or inflammatory markers that you might be interested in looking at or testing. And then lastly, we want to set up some health goals, especially around diet and exercise. For all of us, that is a key component to helping to prevent things down the road. And sometimes we're not ready to map out a huge plan, but really just sort of set some small goals. So those are the basics of our annual wellness and preventative visit. And while it may not seem a lot, that is a lot of ground to cover for each person on a regular basis. Also, what I'm going to go over in the next segments are kind of breaking down some of those things that we typically go over, like diet and exercise. For those of us that are part of the Premier Plan and interested in a more holistic and integrative assessments, the second part of our wellness exam includes going into what supplements are you taking or might be appropriate for you. Again, besides diet and exercise, which we'll already have discussed, looking at your GI health, looking at if we want to explore any detoxification issues or testing on what toxins may be causing your body some difficulty, and also get into a little bit into mind body and what are some of the stressors and some of the ways that we can develop some practices to address those things. And that will sort of be part of our third segment. So again, this is all part of the wellness visit. We want to be here and available and fulfill our promise of our focus on prevention. And so I encourage you to schedule your annual wellness visit with us so that we can review all of these things with you and set you on the path for optimal health. Thank you very much for joining me today.